Right, we move on to speaking part 2. Describe a thing you cannot live without, not mobile or computer, okay? Yeah.
All right. I think there is a very few things in my life that I cannot live without that things. And this is a very cute relation. He's my son. I can't live without him. Even I can't serve without him. Even I can't serve a single breath without him. Being a mother, I am really attached with him, and he's a very precious for me.
Precious.
Precious for me, because this is a very beautiful relation. Um, that's why he's my even he's my strength, my weakness. Even when I travel because I am a working woman. So when I travel without him, I felt very alone with
I
him.
feel
I feel very alone with him. So
without him.
without him, so I call my husband again and again and asking about him.
Ask about him.
Ask about him, what he is doing, and he has done her food. Even
Has he eaten his food?
eaten his food. Even I am asking about that you have changed her pamper.
His pamper.
His
Okay.
pamper. These things is very precious for me.
These things are very precious
Precious
for
for
me.
me.
Okay, that's good. Grammatical mistakes and the mistakes in use of pronoun, gender, and all that. Let's move on to speaking part 3. Why are children attracted to new things?
Because they have a very creative mind, and new things always attract to him. Even
Attract them.
attract them. Even funky colors. Even the different, even mud place and trees, colorful trees on book and
Okay.
other things.
You are not making sentences, you're just uttering some words. These
Yes.
words are not sentences. So you
Alright.
need to make proper sentences, subject, verb, object. Like
Alright.
funky colors, another thing,
Other
another
things.
thing. You need to make full sentences. For example, first of all, they are attracted to funky colors. On the other hand, some children are attracted to toys. And there are some kids who are attracted to puzzles and all that. Make
Alright.
complete sentences, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.